Hey, in this video, I'm going to talk about JSON. What is JSON? Why we need it? If you are from a technical background, you must have come across this term JSON many times. JSON is JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is a data format. Although the name has JavaScript in it, it is used in all the programming languages. Let's say a client has asked for some data from a server. This is the server's response. Raj, 1, Gaurav, physics, maths, some number. The client cannot make out anything out of this response. Who is Raj and Gaurav? What are physics and maths? What are these numbers? Let's say the server responds in JSON format. This is the JSON format. Let me expand this. Now the client can easily make out each item in this response. 1 is the ID, Raj is the name, physics and maths are the subjects, Gaurav is Raj's parent, and this is his contact number. Every JSON element has a name and value pair. Name suggests the significance of the value. JSON responses can be nested. Here you can see a nested JSON response. It can also have arrays. That's all about JSON. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.